Hey guys, welcome back. I think I just learned I've been pronouncing Ryobi incorrectly. Everyone says it's Ryobi. I don't know, that sounds wrong to me, so I'm going to call it Ryobi. We'll take a quick look today at the Ryobi Compact Cordless Workshop Blower. I honestly did not buy this for the workshop blowing capabilities. Although if that's why you want to buy it, it will work perfectly for that application. I bought it because it has this soft rubber tip that's not going to scratch paint, which was my main requirement since I was using a leaf blower to dry off the FFR after I washed it. I figured this is a safer option, and you can use it for this in the wintertime. Really gets that wet wood going. This shop blower has 3 speeds, low, medium, and fast, and it also has a variable trigger. As you can hear the little whining here, I'm barely touching the trigger on speed 1. And you guessed it, this thing is great. Green thumbs up for the Ryobi shop blower. Please keep in mind that link below is the tool only. You can buy it with a battery and a charger as well. Thank you so much for your time you took to watch this. I'll see you guys in the next one.